Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
So we're diving into the world of super-automatic espresso machines today. First up, the Philips 3200 series with LatteGo, right? I've got the specs here.
And I'm ready to talk about the Jura ENA 8, the Nordic White version. Heard it's a compact powerhouse.
Let's see how they stack up for our listeners. Okay, the Philips, model number EP 3246/74, is pushing the convenience angle. It boasts 5 different coffee options at your fingertips, from espresso to latte macchiato, all with one touch.
The Jura ENA 8 is also about push-button perfection, but with a focus on customization. It prepares coffee specialties freshly ground, and you can even program in an extra shot.
Nice touch. The Philips highlights its LatteGo system. They claim it creates silky smooth froth that's incredibly easy to clean. Just 2 parts, no hidden tubes, and cleanable in 15 seconds. That's appealing.
The Jura emphasizes its intuitive touchscreen display and optional artificial intelligence. Plus, you can fine-tune the coffee's strength, volume, and temperature to your exact liking.
Ooh, programmable settings are key. The Philips has 12-step grinder levels, so you can really dial in your grind, from ultrafine to coarse.
The Jura counters with its professional aroma grinder. They say it extracts more aroma from the beans, and it can use fresh beans or pre-ground coffee. Aroma is everything.
The Philips highlights its aroma extract system, promising the perfect temperature, aroma, and crema cup after cup by maintaining a water temperature between 90 and 98 degrees Celsius.
The Jura boasts a pulse extraction process and 3D brewing technology, which sounds super high-tech. It also has intelligent preheating.
The Philips is all about longevity. They say its ceramic grinders are durable and will last for 20,000 cups.
Both are aiming for the long haul, it seems. The Jura has a 2-cup function, which is great for brewing 2 coffees at once. Perfect for couples or guests.
Definitely handy for entertaining. And the Philips claims you can make up to 5,000 cups without descaling if you use their AquaClean filter. That's a significant reduction in maintenance.
Descaling is a pain, so that's a big plus for the Philips. The Jura ENA 8 comes in at 10.7 inches deep, 17.5 inches wide, and 12.7 inches high, while the Philips is 17 DX 10 inches, WX 15 inches H. So the Jura is wider, but less deep. Something to consider depending on your counter space.
Yep, both are super-automatic machines, so ease of use is a given. But the Philips is currently unavailable, which is a big factor.
Good point. And the Jura ENA 8 is available from multiple sellers, starting around $1,666.99. So if you need a machine now, sellers, the Jura might be the better bet.
Important considerations for our listeners. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.